How to fix games not launched after installing KB4343909 in Windows 10. Below are some options you may try out to fix games not launched after installing KB4343909 in Windows 10. 1. Remove KB4343909 from your system, and temporarily block that update from reinstalling later. https://goo.gl/p7ypdi. See the download the show or hide updates troubleshooter package now. Part. Only if your Steam games fail to launch on Windows 10, try the following methods. 2. Try installing/moving your installed games onto a different location. 3. Add your game to the list of exclusions in your antivirus, if any. 4. Delete/move game overlay renderer 64.dll file, if available. 5. Upgrade Revitune. Statistics server, https://goo.gl/eqp62a. 6. Update your graphics card drivers, https://goo.gl/hrghrt. 7. Check for problematic applications, example Razer Synapse. If so, remove that application with the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide, and or perform a clean boot. 8. Manually install the necessary Visual C++ components in the game's installation directory, as admin. Hint, looking for \_common redist \vcredist /folder. 9. Verify the integrity of game files. Ten. Run the game in compatibility mode. Only if The Sims 4 won't launch on Windows 10, try. 11. Repair the game. 12. Clean boot your computer. More, remove recently installed applications with the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 13. Clean your registry with CCleaner. 14. Delete the origin cache files in C \users \your own username here \appdata /local /c /users your own username here \appdata /roaming /15. Try whitelisting ts4.exe, origin.exe, and authorization UI files to the exclusions list in your antivirus software and /or Windows Defender firewall. 16. Open Origin. Now go to Application Settings, uncheck Origin in game. 17. Update your Windows OS, as well as your graphics drivers. See how to at https://goo.gl/hrghrt, and game. 18. Rename the sim for folder. Only if you found low FPS on game startup. Try. 19. Switch game DVR off, head to settings gaming game DVR. Also, try disabling X. DVR in Windows 10, https://goo.gl/pahwi. 20. Install new updates for your games. 21. Update or reinstall the graphics card driver, https://goo.gl/hrghrt. 22. Launch games with Game Booster software, such as Razer Cortex, Game Booster.